I wanted to share with you guys what I could fit into my Coach Quilted Tabby 20. It is so versatile. I'm able to wear it with pretty much all of my outfits. I'm going to do a bit of styling in this video so you guys can see how I've been wearing this bag. You can see that it fits in all of my essentials, all of the things I need to get around. I can fit inside of this bag. It's also a very, very nice quality. I've definitely worn it quite a few times now. I've had it for a while and you can see it still looks so nice. I've not experienced any tearing, any staining. If you guys saw my unboxing and first impressions video for this bag, you'll see that my concerns around the Tabby 26, the denim one that I picked up, was about it losing its shape. And I definitely haven't had those issues with this bag. I've received tons of compliments on this bag as well, which is always quite nice. And I really, really like the black on black. I think that this black on black is definitely a bit of me. I think I'm actually going to pick up, I did mention before that I wanted to pick up the YSL black on black, and this has definitely affirmed for me that that bag is definitely on my shortlist now. I just find that the colour is so versatile. I also enjoy with this bag that I can wear it crossbody, so I'm usually going to wear crossbody more casually. But if I need to go out to the bar, or you know, I'm having a girls' night out or something, then I can also wear it on my shoulder, which I think is a nice option too, especially if I'm not driving. I don't have to feel like I have to have it in my hand. I can just put it on my person, because guys, I'm terrible. I'm terrible at losing things. So although I feel like in this phase of my life, top handles are my preferred option of bag, I am also prone to putting things down and not remembering where I put them down. So I definitely think that this is a nice option if you're anything like me and sometimes you struggle with keeping track of things, because you can put it on your shoulder, and if things start getting a bit, you know, frantic, there's lots happening, music playing, dancing happening or whatever, you can always just put it across your body and then you know you have it. So I wanted to share with you guys what I can fit inside the bag, and I basically just use this bag when I need to carry my essentials, maybe a bit of lipstick, a little bit of lip gloss, but nothing too much. So first I put in my phone. This is a Samsung 21 Plus. I do have plans to upgrade my phone soon, so it should be a bit bigger, but you can see when I put it in, there's actually quite a bit of space beside it. So I think if you have any bigger of a phone, that you'd be okay. I usually put it towards the back so that it can help with the bag keeping its shape. And then I put in my keys. I don't really have any charms or anything on my keys, although I do have a couple that I want to add on. But my keys fit quite nicely in the second compartment in the corner. And then I put in my coin purse. This purse isn't really that big. I don't really like big wallets, guys. I don't know what kind of wallets you use, but I don't really like really big wallets. I'm not usually carrying cash, and if I am, I'm not usually carrying much. So usually something that just carries my cards and a few coins is enough for me. And then I have these headphones that I usually carry if I'm going on transport. So if I'm not driving, if I'm walking somewhere, if I'm getting on the train, if I'm getting on the bus, something like that, then I'll carry these headphones with me, and they fit nicely in the corner. And then I've got my lip gloss, this Fenty lip gloss that I love. I have so many hidden around the house just in case I lose track of any of them, and I put that beside my phone. You can see everything fits in quite nicely. I couldn't think, this is what I usually carry, but I think that there's a bit of space to move things around if there's anything additional that you might want to put in. I couldn't think of anything else. I think if you've got any kind of additional cards or anything like that, then they can just slide up the sides. And then sometimes I carry with me some lipstick and some lip liner. So I've got my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and lip liner that I just put in the back. There is a bit of space that you can slide things in at the back, and it makes it easily accessible as well, so you don't have to open the bag to get things out. I was able to use a coupon code with this purchase. I forgot to mention it in my last video, but I was able to use a coupon code. So if it's still working, I will put it in the description for you guys. And if not, sign up new on Coach, and I think it gives you 10% off. So just do that. If you already have an account, use a different email address. and get your 10% off. So I do also think it was a decent price, and it's definitely a little love of mine. I think I'm going to pick up a few other colours too. I think a red would be nice and a cream would be nice. So if I do, I'll be sure to share it with you guys. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you've got any questions, if you've got any more questions about this bag, don't be shy, let me know down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.